Alright, you want to disconnect your batteries on the driver's side and the passenger side. Tuck it away like this. You want to remove these clips. The fuel line clips, all you gotta do is pull up. Slide it off. Same go for the other side, pull up. Slide it off. Now you're gonna remove the intake. The intake tube, I believe that's an 11. You also want to take up this vent because it will be in the way. Right, now I should be able to break it free. Oh, much better. You also want to remove this clip here that connects it to your alternator. Get it out of the way. Tuck it in. Get yourself a bungee cord. Pull your intake tube towards the front. Because you're gonna need a space here. Your fuel connector removal, it's a 1/2 inch and a 3/8. So what you do is you slip it on here, push your coupling forward, and then push your insert in, and then push this forward and pull it back. Just like that. And it will release. Same again, push it forward, pull it back, it will release. There's 2 bolts on the bottom here. They're 10 millimeters. It's the 2 bolts. There's one here and one here. And then these are just push on locking pins. So all you gotta do is pry them out. Alright, time to pop it off. So I got it out. That's what I'm talking about, being contoured to each fitment. So it's molded, injected, molded. So it's a bear to get out, but you'll be fine. You just gotta finagle it around. So these are the bolts. Once you break it loose, they'll stay in place. Alright, after taking that cover off, that I mentioned that thing was a bear to get off. Just be patient with it. It'll come off. So here's your injectors, connectors. This is injector 2, injector 4, injector 6, and injector 8. Our code came out to P0206, referring to injector 6, and that's injector 6 right there. These clips, be very careful. You wanna pop this out. You got a flathead, put it against the right of the tip and push it out. Be gentle with it. You want to depress that, this right here, and then push. You hear that click? Okay. After removing the clip, you're gonna depress the tab here, and then pull from the connector. Do not pull from the wire. Suck it out just like that. And there it is. You're gonna splice the tape. Here's the part number again, so you can see it. Again, be sure Pause the video if you need it. Always double check if the connector fits properly, or it's supposed to fit. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell, but these wires that it comes with is thicker than the originals there. So what you want to do is line it up, see if they're correct ones, which they are. You want to double check it. Plug it in. Just to check. And you heard that click of satisfaction, so it's the right one. Okay. So we're gonna snip it right here. These two. It won't matter. These are their polarity. I just like to cut it a single, one by one. And off it goes. As you can tell, it has been burnt. Be careful when you splice it. Splice it a little bit more, give you more room. Yeah, strip your wires. Alright, you're gonna crimp utilizing the connector that they came with the plug. Make sure you have it in securely and crimp down really good, firmly, so it catches. And it did not, motherfucker. Make sure you pull on them. All right, that's good. Double check, tug on it, secured. So again, it won't matter which one you put that. So what you want to do, make sure it's in there. Make sure it's good. One more, good measure. Tug on it, and secure. Tug on it, they're good. So now I can plug it. I like to leave slack in the original form, just in case down the line these connections crap out again. At least I have extra, because as you can tell in the video, look how short the wire is that they gave you from the existing harness. I'll just zip tie it back in place with the new add-on. So now you plug it back. I heard that click. It's secured. So now secured it once again with this clip. We're good to go. Now zip tie this, put the cover back on, put everything back on, and we're good to go. Forgot to mention, you want to heat it up. Heat it up. Now put everything back on together. No codes. Check engine light on. Code is cleared. Change the pigtail. We're good to go. Let's check the balance. Good.